YT family, it's Doll Baby 4400. How's everyone doing this? Hey YT family, it's Doll Baby 4400. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I hope you'll stay and subscribe. And to my old family members, love you guys bunches. So guys, I'm coming at you guys again. I'm trying to be consistent because I notice there are some of you still checking for the Doll Baby. So I appreciate you guys so much. So with me looking back at some of my videos and realizing that some of my most viewed videos are DIYs, which I do a lot of them, guys, and almost once a week, but I never film them, and I should be filming them because I noticed that you guys absolutely love them, and I do them, like I say, a lot. So one of them that I love the most, and I want to shout out my girl, Petals is Blessed. If you guys don't know her, please go check out her channel. I'm going to try to drop her channel below. She does some excellent DIYs, and I have not been on in like 3 months, guys, because of a number of things happening. So gotta catch up with all you guys videos who I normally watch, and I just want to thank you guys for all your prayers. But anyway, guys, one of my main ingredients of some DIYs I've been doing lately here are these mirror tile pieces. And because you guys who've been and have seen my home and know me, know I am a lover, a big lover of the bling. So yeah, so these mirror tile pieces, and these are the real mirror. I tried the fake mirror. I'm just not a lover of that. And I got these off of Amazon. I did see them on eBay as well, but Amazon seems to have them all the time. eBay runs out of them a lot. And they start at like $8.99, $9.99, $9.99, and $10.99. And I can get them if you're Prime within a day or two, depending upon what state you live in. And this is how they come, guys, like that. And in the back of them, and you get like anywhere from 5 to 6 strips. And the back of them has a film cover, and you just rip it off, and they bend down like this, and they come in little blocks. Sorry guys, this ring light is horrible, but they have little blocks like that, and you probably get up to 150 a sheet. And like I said, you get to like maybe 5 to 6 to a pack. I will drop the link below if you're interested in buying them. But I'm going to show you some of the pieces I made with them. Sorry, guys. Okay, I love candles, so you guys know who've been following me for a long time know that I'm a lover of candles. So I made some candles with some of them, and I also incorporated some bling wrap with it that I also got on Amazon as well, and I will drop the link below. So this is one of the candles I made, and as you can see, there is the mirror right there. I have the diamond bling wrap here, the mirror, the diamond bling wrap, and then I have, if you can tell, that's pearl bling wrap mixed with some rhinestones, and then the silver bling wrap here. This is one of the candles, and here's another design of the candle. That is the sorry guys, I live on a main road. And okay, this is the silver bling wrap, the pearl and diamond bling wrap, silver bling wrap, so forth. And then the mirror right there, that's another design. And this is the full mirror. Isn't that nice? Just something different. I love, love, love working with this mirror. So I ran out of ideas with this one, and I had a lot of this bling wrap. So I just did that and filled in some mirrors there. So that's another look. And with mine, I love, because I'm scared that it's not going to stay. So the E6000 is always my friend. So you see I need another tube of this which I will be running out and getting. So I decided to do this box, and I know I'm gonna get some of y'all, oh, you done messed up the whole box, took away from the value and all of this. This is something that I inherited from my grandmother a long time ago, and this is genuine, and this is a Gucci a jewelry box, or just a regular keepsake box. And what I did, it's leather underneath, so I just spray painted the box silver, because you know you can't cut these tile pieces, and I just spray painted it, and I put all the tile pieces all over the box, and it just accentuates the look of the box. The box was already like a brown leather, but it was so scarred up because it was a very, very old box. So yeah, I did it all the way around. And yeah, I mean, I'm not going to do nothing but just pass it down to the next generation. So I absolutely love, love, love what I've done with the box. So that's just some ideas that you can do with this. And just be careful when you use it, I must say, guys, because it's real glass, so it will stick you and it will cut you. So you have to be very careful. I can handle it because I can know how to handle it because I've worked with it for a very long time now. And yeah, I will drop that below. Also, guys, I found these on Amazon. These are tie backs for your curtain tie backs. And I'm going to do a room tour, bedroom tour. I know you guys have been following me for a long time, have seen my bedroom tours. I know that my bedroom is platinum, silver, and white. And these only cost $1.97. I'll also drop them below. And they're very cute. Look at them. And they're going to be tie backs for my curtains. I bought 2 sets because I have 2 windows in my bedroom. So yeah. So I'm going to start doing more DIYs, and this is just an example of what I've been working on. And I want to introduce you to these tiles, to these mirrored tiles, and just tell you they're very inexpensive, very easy to work with, and some of the ideas that you can use. Thank you guys for watching, supporting, and just loving on me for all these times. Love you guys. Bye-bye.